What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to try something a little bit different. This is more of a test rather than an adventure or a photography video. This is mostly for me, but hopefully this could help you guys out there that are planning on doing the same thing. I've came to the realization after I came back from my cross-country motorcycle trip about a month ago that I truly wish that my gear was just a little bit less, a little bit more accessible and a little bit easier to set up. Although I really enjoy how my footage came out, you know, it could have been better in a few ways, but I enjoy the quality, I enjoy the sound. I just want to see if there's any possible way that I can make it more accessible. The thing mostly relies on dialogue videos such as this one. So we're testing out the GoPro. I want to try to make the GoPro my main vlogging camera for things like this one. I just want to record myself on the go. So today we're going to be trying out several different scenarios. We're going to try it out in a sort of outdoor quiet setting, how we are right now, and we're also going to try it out in an area that has a little bit more ambient noise and just more people overall. We're going to be trying out the GoPro Hero9 with no modifications. I do have the wind noise reduction set to off. We're going to be doing a test with windscreen on the front and top microphone. The side one deactivates when you turn off the wind noise reduction. We're also going to be trying out the MediaMod with and without the windscreen on the top corner. And we're going to be trying out the Rode Wireless Go attached to the MediaMod, one with the lapel microphone and one without the lapel microphone. So this audio that you're currently hearing right now, which is the one I sort of want to do, is the lapel microphone. So we're gonna get this test started in a low ambient noise setting, and then we're gonna go to some louder area. And well, while we're out and about here recording, I did bring my camera just in case there is any cool photography to see. You know, I rarely go out and take pictures out here in Little Havana, but yeah, we're gonna see which one sounds better. You guys make the decision and let me know in the comments which one you think works out better for your scenario. So test number one is with a GoPro with no modifications on whatsoever. There's not much noise going on around me. I'm just walking out and about in my neighborhood, and there will be occasional airplanes flying over me. This is a very, very active area with planes going over. But yeah, this is my regular tone of voice. I have my arm fully stretched out holding the GoPro, and yeah, this is with no modifications whatsoever. Now there's an airplane going over me right now. This is the audio test of the GoPro with the windscreen in the front and the top microphone. There's just some cars passing by. It's relatively quiet out, and don't be fooled by this on. I just haven't taken it off. This is the audio of the GoPro in a very low ambience setting. So it might sound just a tad bit better than, there's some people talking about 50 feet away from me. It might sound just a tad bit better than with absolutely nothing on it. This option will probably cost you about, if I'm not mistaken, like $8 or $10 on Amazon. I might link below where I got the windscreen. I usually use this setting when I'm on my motorcycle. So this is with only the windscreens in the front and top microphone. Now this is a test with the GoPro MediaMod on. This is for the GoPro Hero9 without the windscreen that the MediaMod brings. There is not much noise going on around. You might hear roosters in the area. It's kind of a normal thing here in Miami. You hear them a lot at any time of the day. There they are on cue. It's about 5 p.m. and they just cuckooed their way across the day. So this is without the windscreen on, now with the windscreen. Now there's some wind passing by me right now. This is with the windscreen on of the MediaMod. And yeah, it's kind of a windy day. I'm right in between a bunch of trees, very tall trees. A lot of cars passing by, which there's none right now, but the environment is pretty controlled right now. There's not too much traffic, there's not too much people out. There's a hurricane, supposedly Hurricane Ian, about to hit Miami, so there's not a lot of people out. Although there is someone blasting a radio like 100, maybe 200 feet away from me. I don't know if you could hear that in the video, but yeah, this is with the windscreen on. So now this is the audio test of the GoPro Hero9 with the MediaMod, the Rode Wireless Go 2 without the lapel microphone. You can see the transmitter is right here, relatively close to my neck. It's still pretty quiet around here. Nothing more than just cars passing by and some casual wind. Good thing to note is that the Rode Wireless Go 2 is an omnidirectional microphone. That means that it'll pick up audio from everything around you. Maybe this car that's passing by right now. And yeah, it's not the quietest microphone out there. This is the setup that I took on my motorcycle trip with me, the East Coast Lariat, which I hope you guys are enjoying it so far. And yeah, this is what this microphone sounds like. So here's another test with a GoPro MediaMod with the Rode Wireless Go 2 with the lapel microphone connected. There's a little bit of more noise right now because people are turning up their music in their houses, and there's a lot more roosters cooking around here, a whole lot more. But yeah, I think this is the more controlled audio that just takes about 15 more seconds to set up. Yeah, this is where the microphone is right now. It's a Sony ECM15. I don't know, I've had it for a very long time in my drawer, and I couldn't figure out a better time to use it than now. It's a relatively cheap lapel microphone. And yeah, I personally think it's sort of a good lapel microphone for this purpose. And yeah, that's with the lapel microphone. So now I'm in a much more busy area of my neighborhood. This is the first test of the GoPro Hero9 without any mod, no windscreen, absolutely nothing. This is the Hero9 absolutely naked. There is a whole lot of people talking around me. There's a lot of music going around, a lot of cars passing by. So yeah, this is the test of the GoPro Hero9. Let's just take a few more steps past some people talking, some more music, so you could get a very good feel of how this sounds. So this is with absolutely nothing. If you just decide to go out and start recording with your GoPro, this is pretty much what it's gonna sound like. I must tell you that all of this audio is raw. I am not editing this audio at all. I'm just gonna be balancing out the, what's it called? The levels, just so that your freaking speakers don't explode. It's really loud out here. So let's move on to the next test. So I don't know if I mentioned it already, but I am actually walking through Little Havana. It's my current little neighborhood. And well, this current test is with the windscreen on the naked GoPro in the front of the camera and the top microphone. Only two microphones are being covered right now. So there's more transit, there's a whole lot more people. Look, you can see over here. This is actually what they call Plaza Dominó here in Little Havana. So yeah, it's very windy, there's a lot of cars passing by, and I hope the windscreens are doing their job. So now this is just the audio test with the Hero Max. I don't even know the name of these things anymore. The MediaMod, with no windscreen or anything like that. This is just bare. I'm recording out of the front camera, and yeah, we're past. There's a lot of music. I chose this area to make the test because you never know what scenario you're gonna find yourself in. So you kind of need something that could manage your needs right in the middle. You know, so I'm usually out motorcycling, taking pictures and stuff, and out and about. So this is the purpose of one of these tests. So this is the MediaMod with no windscreen. Now this is the MediaMod with the windscreen, and I actually think I see a picture happening here. Let me show you guys what's going on over here. Check that out. This will make one sweet picture. Let's see if we could get something around here. Very nice subject to photograph every time I pass by here. But yeah, this is the GoPro with the MediaMod with the windscreen muff thing in the corner. So yeah, that one's it. Now on to the Rode microphone. So now this is the test with the Rode Wireless Go 2 connected, just the lapel, just a transmitter right on my neck with no lapel microphone. I do have the windscreen on, as I said, and I don't know if I mentioned it already, but this audio that I'm uploading, it's straight raw. I haven't EQ'd it or anything like that, so you guys can get a pretty clear sound how the preamps work inside of the GoPro. Now there's this, this is actually very normal. I want to show you guys something while you're here. I know this is not related to the topic, but here in Little Havana in Miami, it's very normal for people to be rallying about something always. The thing that you mostly see people rallying about is anything political to do with Cuba, Venezuela, or Colombia, Nicaragua. Those are the most dense populations here in Miami. In fact, let me see if I could actually go up to it and get it on video. But I didn't drop anything. Yeah, check this out. So now we're on to the last test. This is the lapel microphone, the Sony ECM3, I think it's called, attached to the Rode Wireless Go 2 to the GoPro. It's a long chain of audio, holy damn. But yeah, this is what that sounds like. And I think, I don't know, I haven't heard it, but I do know that lapel microphones do offer the most controlled audio since it's so close to your mouth. Obviously with some editing or post-production, which I'm not afraid of, you know, really taking my time on splitting the audio for my videos and figuring out what would be the best way of things to look and sound. But I might be wrong, I don't know. I won't figure it out until I see this video, and I want to hear what you guys think. Which one sounded the best to you guys? If you guys want to see more comparisons when it comes to, you know, how I make my decisions on picking out my gear for my videos, let me know. I would be very down to record more stuff of comparisons in the efforts of making my gear less. So look, they're still rallying somewhere back there. I don't even know where it's coming from anymore. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. This is Alex signing off.